What's going on YouTube? This is Donald from Everyday People, and I'm going to show you how to make your home a little bit more smarter. So here we go. All right, everybody, I'm going to get right into it. This is the TP-Link Smart Wi-Fi plug with energy monitoring. It is Google Assistant compatible, also works with Amazon Alexa, has remote access, scheduling, energy monitoring, like I said before, away mode. Is pretty cool, easy to set up. This video is going to be more geared toward the Amazon Alexa user because that's pretty much all I have in my home. I got the dot, the spot, the show. So this is going to be more geared toward the Amazon Alexa user, but I'm sure it's the same way with Google Assistant. You literally just hook up to your Wi-Fi, and you should be all set. So I'm gonna get right into it. Here we go. Hope y'all like it.
So this is for the Amazon Alexa users. So what you're going to want to do is go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and put in Alexa, and it should find the app. So there it is, right there, Amazon Alexa. And what you want to do is install that. And then once you install that, you're going to also want to install the Casa app, because that's the app we're going to use to set up your Wi-Fi plug. So the next thing you guys are going to want to do is plug in your TP-Link into a wall outlet. And once you do that, it should flash or turn into a solid amber color. So at that point, you can plug in your light. So the next thing you guys are going to want to do is open up the Casa app. So you go into your Casa app, go to the top right hand corner to the plus sign. Once you do that, scroll all the way down till you see Smart Plug. Click that, and it has some instructions. So it should be at this point flashing green and amber. So it's looking for a Wi-Fi signal. So it's telling you here to go to your settings. So toggle the settings and go to your Wi-Fi. And then you should see TP-Link. So click that. Now you're going to toggle back to Casa. And once you do that, it should discover it. I got a device already set up, so that's why you're seeing that. So now you're just going to name your plug. There's some icons there. So let's pick whatever icon you want. I'm going to pick the lamp. And then you just put in your credentials for your Wi-Fi access. Now, at this point, it's finishing up, so you're sometimes going to see that it has to do some firmware updates. Just let it do its thing, and you should be good. You're going to see your lights actually flicker on and off, so it's just going through its firmware updates. Coming out of the box, that's what usually happens. So there you have it. You have it plugged in. It should be flashing. Once it goes through all its firmware updates, you might see it flicker on and off, but eventually you should get that solid green light indicating that it's ready.
Alexa, turn on light. Alexa, turn off light.
So for those of you that didn't get the automatic notification saying that Amazon Alexa found a new device, this is what you're going to do. Just go into Amazon Alexa app, add another device. As you can see, mine automatically found it, but if you didn't, just add another device and go through this, and you should be all set. Alright guys, this is what the Casa app interface actually looks like. So if you go into the app, you can actually see all the devices that you have set up or that you just set up. So and for instance, there's the light that I just set up. You can actually see the runtime, the energy usage. You can schedule when you want the lights to turn on and off. And like I said, you can do this remotely as well, from anywhere you are. Which is pretty cool. So if you have kids, like I do. I got 3 kids. They're consistently leaving the lights on. So, you know, when they're not home, when they're at school or something like that and they leave the light on, I can actually see from a remote location if they have it on, turn it off, or, you know, set a little timer on it or something. So,
as always, everybody, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Really appreciate the love. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe below. There's also a description down there. It gives you direct links to this product. Also, I'm going to be doing some upcoming future videos on TP-Link smart switches throughout the home. I have those in my home as well. They work pretty much the same way this smart Wi-Fi plug does. It's Google Assistant and also Amazon Alexa compatible. So I would appreciate any type of feedback from you guys, comments, questions, concerns. Please hit me up and I'll get back to you. So this is Donald with Everyday People. Peace.